interrupted with the SLimage module DLL blocking localized imaging orchestration workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we begin our SLimage module troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the SLimage module, associated with Localized imaging SDKs or the SoftLog imaging suite. It manages the hardware-accelerated rendering of specialized image data and localized bitmap caching. If missing, the parent software will launch with a blank UI viewport or report a graphic module load failure during the data import phase. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Since TWX Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized tablet/ink extension toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the SLimage module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install TWX Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing SLimage module. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve SLimage module dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.